So with this kitchen, we've got a nice little friend with us. Look. Oh, hello. Okay. Oh, you're gonna be seeing a lot of us this week. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So first things, we'll switch off the mains. So we see. That's good because that's switched off hot and cold, so that's good. Good supply. Good supply. So let that drain off. Then we've got some switches in. So all those are isolated. Special one in there. The gas. Right, going to be mixing that 1 to 1. We've got the colour there. So yeah, that's our primer we're going to be using. Got to paste that everywhere. Might give me the smallest roller you can find in the world. Right, the floor is primed. It's still drying out a little bit there, but you know it's still primed, it's ready to go. So we're going to start mixing up our self-leveling. No, we don't have time. 4:12. So yeah, let's mix it up. We want to get it all self-leveled and need to get it all leveled and ready for tomorrow. So when we come, we could start opening up these and yeah, hopefully get some of the units in place. So let's go. So we are back on day 2. The floor is all dry. Well, we're walking on it, so it's looking pretty good actually. It's all nice and level. So we're going to be opening up some of the units and putting them in place, but we are going to be trying to lay the floor down as well in between that. So right, we're ready made to start with one unit. So we are going to open up all the base units and get things in place, and then we're going to tackle. She's got engineered wood flooring to go down as well, so we'll try and get that down as well at some point today, if not tomorrow. Mine is on that side, and I'm on this side. Right, I'm currently doing the plumbing for, so we have our washing machine here. It's not built in the appliance, so I'm doing the waste and I'm doing all the water feed on this side, so it's easy access if you were to remove the washing machine to fit a new one. And then going to be running some fresh pipes from here all the way along, and then fresh waste as well as going outside. So there's nothing else going there. There's no dishwasher, is there? No. So it's just the washing machine. So, plumbing, I think, is all done and dusted. So we've got a washing machine on this side, cold feed, waste. So we've got hot and cold feed there with the waste for the sink, and then we've got a cold feed outside for our bowl tap, which we changed as well. Martin's scratching his head here. So he's cut out this one. So we've got the gas meter in the kitchen, which is the first actually, so we've had to make a cut out for that. It is quite a shallow unit, so that's going there. And yeah, I'm going to start. We've got 2,000 units going side by side here, so I'm going to mark those up, get those in place, and then we've got some electrical stuff that we just need to tidy up, and I think we're on our way. And that as well. Right, we are back on day 3. As you can hear, it's a little bit noisy, so I'm going to show you guys how far we got so far. And we did get all the base units like pre-drilled before the circle 11, so we'll literally just put all of those in place now. I think the last video you might see would have been from the plumbing, which is all done there. So what do we do next? We are using foam ball. We're going to paint the walls and ceiling the same colour, which is what? Wimborne white. Oh, actually, crikey. Right, a little update. So we've done a couple coats, I think you can really see, but a couple coats of paint on the ceiling, and we've done in the areas that we need to, just so we can get the units and that on the wall today. So we have, well, you can see, we have got the wall units up. So I'm just leveling those out. I am in a bit of a tricky situation because this wall, I don't know if I said already, but this wall is actually 30 mil different to that wall. So I've now got a lip here with the wall unit. So, but we do want to bring this one out and make it all one line because it'll look nice, and you know, we can put a piece of trim inside there, but I think we'll need to just work out how we're going to bring that one out. But yeah, apart from that, yeah, it's looking pretty good. And the guys will come and do templating tomorrow, so see what they have to say. And on the other side of things, Mark is currently prepping the floor. I say prepping the floor, we're getting the floor sort of ready for the engineering flooring. So that should be on the go as well. I think maybe you might start that today. But it's looking alright. So what we're doing now, we're going to be doing the floor. So Mark's got the underlay. Going to get that. This is the flooring, which you might have seen already. Mark's done some pre-cuts already to start off. Then while he's doing that, we're doing my way from the top and down. So I'm going to start on this side. You do a cornice, and you do the pelmets, and do the end panels, and then doors, shelves, all that can finish off on that side, same on this side. And actually, I managed to bring this one out packing it up on the wall, so everything's nice and lined now, so it's worked out alright. And then to let it down.
Getting sprung, we used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Right, so I've managed to get all the end panels and the cornice permits looking pretty good. I don't even got a saw, that's actually the colour. Still got the setup in it, but it's forest green I think it's called. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to, because it's coming up to the weekend, we've got a temporary sink that we're going to fit, so I'm going to put down for the clients so they've got something to use over the weekend. And then I'll carry on putting in some shelves and stuff like this in the doors. And then yeah, let's see how that gets on. Right, that is the temporary sink that's good. I've had to work some magic underneath there, but it works. It's all good. They got hot and cold, which is so they can use it for the weekend, that's good. So that is it for part 1. Part 2 will follow shortly. The next video you'll see will be when we tile the splashback. But if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.